Hi guys, today I want to come on here and share with you an awesome surprise that I am going to be doing for you guys. Alright guys, so I want to come on here and share some exciting, awesome news with you. We are going to be doing a wig giveaway. So you guys know I am super crazy about wigs, and I know a lot of you guys have really been asking me questions about the wigs that I wear, where I get them from, and everything like that. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to do a wig giveaway. And with this wig giveaway, we're gonna have two prizes. So the first prize is gonna be a wig from Chelsey Cosmetics, which is pretty much most of the wigs that I wear that you guys see me wear in all my videos. So you get to pick the wig that you want if you win the grand prize. That'll get shipped directly to you. For the grand prize winner, we'll also be getting a Wig Essentials bundle, which is pretty much all the stuff you guys see me use in all my videos. So it's the dry conditioner, dry shampoo, the wig brush, wig grip, all those things that I kind of feel like I can't live without when it comes to wearing my wigs. And then we're gonna have a second place winner who is also going to get the Wig Essentials bundle and then a few other little goodies. Some of the little logistics of this giveaway. First way to enter into this giveaway is to give me a like on this video, leave a comment on a wig that you see on there that you really like, that you wish you had, and then make sure you like the video. Those two things you have to do to get an entry into this giveaway. So this giveaway is gonna go on until the last day of October, and we will announce the winners. So just make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. Make sure you hit the little notification bell so you get notifications on any videos that I do in the future so that you can find out about those other ways to win. And then also give me a like on this video, because obviously you have to get into the contest, but I also really appreciate it. If you guys have any questions, let us know in the comments below too. We will try to answer those questions for you guys. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.